Hi, good evening, beautiful people of Namibia. Thank you for, I'm glad you can make it in spite of the heavy rain. Let me just start the presentation so we can get down to business. Okay, I hope you can see what's on the screen. Can you do a thumbs up, Onesmus? Everyone, can you type if you can see what's on the screen? It says I am worldwide. Everyone can see that?
Yes, we can.
Okay, thank you. Let me start. So today we'll talk about this amazing company, which is, I believe, a possible cure, solution, and prevention to the challenge that you are facing right now. Okay, so I want you to be in the now so you can have the full access and understanding of what I'm about to present. After which, I'll be gladly answering if you have questions to clear out all things that you might want to know. So again, this is I Am Worldwide. We are existing in the Philippines almost 9 years now. We have we have presence in other countries in the Middle East, in United States of America, and hopefully we can start in your lovely country because we have started already and we have a few members in Ghana and we are starting in Namibia. Tuli, Onesimus, and Twinnie are joining. I hope Natalia and Cornelia can join us very soon because imagine if you will be among the first who will join this one amazing company, all those will be joining later on will be positioned under you. And you will see the importance of being on the topmost of this business. Now, this is the home of hope, meaning hope. It is an acronym for health. That's why I said it's a prevention and a possible cure for those who are suffering from diseases, who want to prevent diseases, and up on opportunity to earn another source of income from another source of income. We will help you turn your expenses into income generating way and also your liabilities into asset. Again, this is for everyone. You may be working, you may be a housewife, you may have a few hours only to do this business in a week. It doesn't matter because we can do it online. I can do the presentation on your behalf. Now, again, if you know people, but let me caution you and let me tell you this. This is not a medicine, but it has helped a lot of people suffering from such diseases, which you can see on your screen. All of them were testimonies from using this amazing product. Okay? So that's why I have mentioned a while ago that if you know people suffering from such diseases, it can be cured. This could be a possible cure from high blood pressure, from diabetes, from cancer, breast cancer, and such things. Even people who have trouble sleeping, if they want to be, if they want to have a stronger immune system and protection, energy, this could be the solution that they are wanting or they've been looking for quite some time. Now, again, it's not a medicine, but it has helped so many people. Especially, let me share with you two testimonies. Number one is from the very famous actress in the Philippines. She used to suffer from stage 2 breast cancer, but after taking this amazing product, she got healed and she is now cancer free for the longest time. In fact, she was given 5 years to live because of the cancer of the breast, but after taking this product, she is now cancer free for the last 23 years. So that's her journey. You can see on the screen, she got operated, but she was able to recover and now she's cancer free. And this amazing plant or product that I've been referring to is barley. It is no ordinary barley. Okay, it is no ordinary barley because what the company manufacturer is using is that it is during its embryonic stage. The barley was harvested during its embryonic stage, meaning before it becomes a grain. So it's a baby grass. And this certain doctor and Japanese investor from Japan found out that when we harvest, when we take this amazing plant or product on its embryonic stage, meaning when it is still young, it is very potent in micronutrients. In fact, you can benefit you can get from it 68 micronutrients. Practically everything that vitamins and minerals and enzymes that our body needs can be benefited when we take this one. Hello, Zara. Welcome. We just started about a few minutes ago. When you have questions later, I can answer. Meanwhile, let me continue my presentation. Of course, let me just share to you where it came from. It's very important. Do you know the source of the product or what you will be taking in, because you'll be taking it inside your body. Let me just share with you where it came from so you have an idea how beautiful, how amazing this product is. Okay, let me just share. Okay.
I am Marie Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia. We are giving you the world's best. And this is why I've come all the way to Australia, to show that this is where it comes from. You can't get any better than this. More than I ever imagined it would be. It's cold.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too. One of three factors also is this organic property was a dairy farm before we started growing our certified crops here. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
When you get to the processing plant itself, the barley smell is so intoxicating. It smells so clean and so fresh. And you can really tell that it just got harvested. And if anything, it feels so healthy. It smells healthy.
It takes up to 3 years to have the farm certified organic. That's going away from conventional farming practices that require nasty herbicides and pesticides. We're certified with NASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. It's quite an intense process.
A lot of people say that they have organic products, but actually what they don't understand is how stringent the tests are. They get spot checked. So at any given time, NASA can come over here and pick up barley from their fields. And if they don't pass, their license gets taken away, which means no pesticides, no chemicals, none of that stuff goes into this land. From the time it's grown all the way up until packing the barley powder and shipping it to us in the Philippines, no chemicals ever touches it. NutriGreen Australia is actually the only organic barley farm in the whole of Australia. And I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for NutriGreen barley.
IAM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at NutriGreen. So you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
See? So that's how beautiful and amazing this product is. So it is purely organic, all natural. So no chemicals, no nothing that is not good for your body once we take this one. So that's how beautiful this product is. Let me just continue. Again, let me just share to you again details of the products or the benefits or the vitamins and the nutrients that you'll be getting when you take this product. You can see it on your left side. It is the box of the said product. It has sachets in it that contains all the products that I've been telling you. So it has amino acids, growth to regulate blood sugar, collagen formation, supports the screen. So it is also there. And then minerals necessary for stronger bones. And what do you call it? Hold on, let me just move it. Okay, wait, let me just move. Okay, there. And also helps in the function of the brain. See, it's practically everything you need. Enzymes, which helps prevent fight free radicals, which weakens the body. So all of those things, plus a lot more. As I have mentioned, there are about 68 micronutrients. So vitamins, minerals, enzymes that our body needs. So everything that we need. So will be protected from viruses and diseases, and also give us a stronger immune system. Hold on, my light. Okay, it's just shut off. We'll just wait. Hold on. I will just turn it on. The light. Okay, there. What's happening? Okay. Now let me continue. Okay. So vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E. See? All of those things. But what it does is that it cleanses the body and removes the toxins of the body. And it has the capacity to regenerate cells. That's how powerful this is. Cell regeneration, which makes us um, well if we are sick, which helps us to be more protected, which helps cure the body. So because a person can get sick because if their cells, which is the smallest living units in our inside our body, are severely damaged. But when we take barley, it has the capacity or the power to regrow the cells, renew the cells. That's why some people doesn't just say it is just a food supplement, but it is some of them consider it as a drug, meaning not a drug, but a medicine. Let me say that again, a medicine, because it has helped them when it comes to their diseases, such as the testimonies that I have shown you when we were starting, and together with the testimony of Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Now, let me share with you this amazing testimony. This person is in the hospital for the longest time because he is suffering from stage 4 liver cancer. In fact, he suffered from cardiac arrest because of the said diseases. According to the doctors, the only reason that this person is still alive is because of the different tube attached to him. The machines are helping him live. But she is in a coma. He is in a comatose. You can see the wife on the upper right of the screen. There you go. He's been in the intensive care unit for the longest time. But the wife was told that there's nothing they can do anymore. See, you can see the bed sore that this gentleman suffered because of being in the hospital, lying down for the longest time. But it got healed. Can you see on the right side of the screen? I will tell you why. That the wound got healed. You know why? Because of the product. No, but before that, the wife was told that the doctors and the hospitals can't do anything anymore. So that's why when the wife learned about it, she decided to bring home the husband. But you can never just bring home the patient out of the hospital without the regular checkup. This is the actual discharge slip when her husband was before her husband was allowed to go home. You can see the diagnosis, and you can see on the lower left, encircled with red, discharge exam says they are considering this person expired. And we know when we say expired, it's like the person is no longer alive. Because as I have mentioned, the only reason that this person is still alive because of the machine. But the wife decided to bring home the husband together with all those machines. She rented a machine so that somehow she can let her husband continue living. But what the wife did when they got home, she gave the husband 6 to 7 sachets of barley per day, per every 4 hours. Let me say that again. Through the tube that attached to the husband, he was given barley every 4 hours. Guess what? After 10 days, her husband woke up from comatose. After 10 days. See? And, he is now still alive. He's getting better. Still lives in the United States. What I am saying, it may not be a medicine, this amazing barley, but it has helped all the people that I have shown you, including this gentleman, from recovering. That's why I've mentioned this could be a possible cure and prevention. If you know people who are suffering from diseases, if you know people who want to prevent from suffering any diseases, you may get in touch with them. You can connect them to us. We can explain it. I can explain it on your behalf. Now, let me continue. Again, it's not a medicine, but again, it has helped so many lives. So these are some of the benefits and the function of the said barley. No, I'm sure you've heard about barley because it was, in fact, it was existing way before us. Even during those times, 2,000 years ago, and even in the Bible, it was mentioned 30 plus times how great this product is. It's being used already by the people. Okay? But what's the difference now? Because of technology, it becomes better. One way of telling you that it becomes better because of the process, we're using a young barley grass. That makes it more potent. Okay, again, if you know people suffering from stress, they want a healthier skin, they want to prevent diseases, colds, flus, everything almost. Because again, it will help you have a stronger immune system, protecting you from getting sick. Now, if you are sick, I cannot overemphasize this. It can help in the speedy recovery and being cured from the diseases they are suffering from. Now, what I want you is to be, if you want to be trying the products, if you want to try the products, what I suggest is to buy the package. Instead of just buying the products, buy the package because there are other benefits such as, you get 100% worth of products, you get 50% lifetime discount, meaning when you buy products, on the next purchases, it will be discounted 50%. So you'll have this online business. You heard me right. You will now have your online business, meaning this could be a reserve for you, especially what's happening right now, the war between other countries, US and other countries. It may not be directly, it may not be a direct war against, your country, but it has affected you because of the oil supply, inflation is increasing, and it is affecting everyone. So you will be severely affected if you are not doing something to generate new source of income. This is a new source of income. It's online, meaning you can do it on the side. You can do it 1 to 2 hours a week. We are doing presentation 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. All you have to do after joining is to invite people, whoever they may be, invite them, and I'll be the one to present and answer their queries. If they join, if they buy, you get to earn. See how wonderful this is? Now, again, we will also train you and train people who will be joining the business. This is the right time, Sarah, Cornelia, and Natalia, to join because Onesmus, Tuli, and Twinnie will be starting the business in Namibia. In fact, they are sending their registration, payment for the registration. This month ends. And by April, we can start earning already in Namibia. Okay? In Namibia, of course, in US dollars, but it can be given to you through an application. If you're familiar with Wise app, I have already told Tweenie, about it. It can be your commission will be transferred to WiseUp, and then through the accredited banks in your country, then you can withdraw the money. So that's how it works. Now, but let me continue first how you would earn. I'm sure you are interested. Now, other benefits, all of those materials that you can get. So I'll be explaining that in a little while. Of course, you can see the cars and house and lot incentive and the travel free. It's free, no? Now, how do we become a dealer? How do you become part of this amazing company? All you have to do is buy the package. You can choose from the any packages that I'll be showing you. Okay, any packages. Okay, hold on. Any packages. Let me just put this on the top so I can see everyone. Any packages, okay? So, for example, again, this is my projection with the current exchange rate. It might go up, but right now it's about 99 US dollars including shipping, but it keeps on going up because of the war that's happening with United States of America and other countries. But right now, basically, you'll get, if you choose copper, you get 99. You need to pay 99 US dollars. That includes shipping already to your country, and you'll get 6 boxes of this amazing product. 6 boxes. Okay, so if you want a bigger package, we have silver. It's at 298. You get 17 boxes of barley. If it's a gold, 45 boxes or 743. As high as platinum, it's 1,983. Now, you might be asking, what would I do with these 112 boxes? Number 1 is for your usage. Number 2, people that will be seeing this presentation, they can't get it from anywhere else but through you. That's why you need to have a stock there, an ample enough of stocks in your place. That's why I'm asking Tweenie, once they registered, will ship the products, and then people, they might not buy the package, but when they want to buy the products, they will buy it from you. That's one way of, earning another source of income. I'll explain you how much you would earn if you sell 1 box. Okay? Now, once you join and you were able to bring in 2 business partners who will also join you, it will activate the 13 ways on how you can earn. Okay, it's about 13 ways. I'll explain, of course, not all, but some of which, because the detailed presentation of these 13 ways to earn would be when after joining. Soon, we'll have a special training. But for now, I'll give you a bird's eye view on what to expect when it comes to income generation. Okay, now, retailing. Number 1, you can share the products. When they buy products, you get it at 50%. Therefore, you get 50% profit. You'll only get it about 9 US dollars as of now. And then you can sell it as high as 18 to 20 US dollars. Okay, we'll just convert it in Namibian dollars. Because if they can see the beauty of this product, they can't get it anywhere but from you only. If they want to source it directly from the Philippines, it's impossible because they are not members yet. Okay, again, you'll only get it at $9 and you can sell it at 18 to 20. In the United States of America, in London, okay, in United Kingdom, they are selling it at 25 US dollars. See the profit that they're getting? Because, of course, you have to consider the shipping. So that's how much you will get. That's how much you will get when you sell 1 boxes. Don't worry, I'll be the one to explain the business on your behalf. Okay, let me continue. So, what if you can sell package? Instead of just selling the product, you sell package. Remember, I've shown you different packages. What if they get interested of joining the business? When people buy copper from you, you get additional $8. Okay? So when they buy silver package, you get 25 US dollars. If they buy gold, you get 58 US dollars. That's your wholesale package commission. Meaning when you sell package instead of the product. Of course, the higher the package, the higher the commission. If you sponsored a platinum or a jade, that's how much your commission would be. Every time you sponsor somebody, if they buy packages, again, you get a certain commission. We'll review again. For copper, you get additional $8, silver, gold, 25 and 58 respectively. If it's a bigger packages, it could be 150 to 333 US dollars. Okay? That's the wholesale package commission. Number 2, what if you can sell 2 or more? So you get additional bonus, which is the sales match commission. For every 2 copper, okay, you get $8. That's additional. That's on top of the wholesale package commission. For every 2 silver, either you are the one who sponsored them or it was being sponsored by the people under your organization, you get additional 16, and then you get additional 50. It's a gold. Don't be confused. There's a wholesale package commission. There's also a sales match commission. Okay, next. This is how it works. Supposing you bought the silver package. When you sponsor 2 business partners, meaning if we present this to your 2 friends, in fact, we only need 2. You position them on your left and right. Every person who will buy package from you, remember, you get 25 US dollars. Since you have 2, for example, it is Mark and Matthew, you get 25 US dollars for each person. And then when you have 1 on the left and another 1 on your right, that gives you a bonus of 16 US dollars. So it goes all the way down. So whether you are the one who sponsored the 2, and if they started sponsoring people, even without you, as long as the people on the left side of your group has a match on the right side of the group, the company pays you 16 US dollars for every match. See? So that's how wonderful and amazing this is. You just have to join and then sponsor your 2. When you have your 2, it activated the 13 ways to earn. And then when they bring in their own people, sponsored business partners, you will be starting to earn 16 US dollars for every match. Even though you are not the one who brought those people, but since you started, you are among the top most. That's how wonderful this is. Imagine if the 6 of you will join now, and after 7 months, 6 months, 1 year from now, there are about 100 people who would join from Namibia. All of them will be positioned under you. See the potential income that you can get when you started to join this business. You are the pioneer. We don't have anyone yet from Namibia. Again, let me say this again, Twini, Onesimus, and Tuli will just start to join by the end of the month and together with you. And then come April, any people who would join under you, I will be positioned under you. Imagine a year from now, if there are 1,000 people from Namibia, it will be all under you. The potential of earning more when you join immediately, or you are the pioneer in this business. Now, if it's a gold package that you have, of course, as I have mentioned, the higher the package, the higher the commission. So instead of just getting $16, you get how much? 50 US dollars. See? For every match. So that's how it works. That's the sales match. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. It will match. For every match, you get 50 US dollars. If it's a bigger package, supposing jade, it's no longer $50, but 166 US dollars. Again, the commission is dependent on the current rate of the US dollars to the Philippines. What I am presenting to you right now is with the current rate. If the US dollars goes up, of course, the commission rate would kinda go a little lower because of the inflation. Good thing, because you know your money has a higher value to us, because $1 to our currency, which is Philippine peso, it's about 60 pesos. $1 is 60. I think for you, $1 is just around 16 or 17 Namibian dollars. See how how valuable your currency is still right now. Okay? Now, let me continue. So it goes all the way down from the first level up to infinity as long as there is joining under you. Okay? Remember. Now, how much would be the maximum income per week? Again, it is still dependent on the package that you have bought. If you just bought a copper, your maximum per week is 172. If it's a silver, it's getting higher, gold and jade. Okay? This is when people are joining you. That's your limit on the left side. Okay, so again, the advantage of having a bigger package, because when a lot of people join your organization already, it is no longer impossible to earn that much in a week. When you get promoted, you can see the different ranks on the right side: Sapphire, Ruby, Emerald, Diamond, and up to Crown, Alpha, Mentor. You get a higher limit. You may say it's quite impossible to earn that in a week. I agree with you if it's just you. But remember the power of leverage. That's why I kept on saying, if you join today, you have your own two, and those people are growing. They get their own two and two. In a year from now, 6 months from now, it could be there about hundreds under your organization. Then it is possible. I'm not saying you join, you get that immediately. No, that's the possibility. Because when a lot of people are joining you, a lot of manpower is doing the business on your behalf. That's how powerful leverage is. Okay? So that's why the beauty of this, that even though you're not doing the business, there are people who would be doing the business on your behalf. Okay? That's the beauty of this. Now, let me continue. What if I just bought a smaller package? Well, you have a chance of being promoted to higher package when you recruit two. When you bring in three packages, 3 people in a month, you get promoted to a higher package. Okay? Now, there's no daily flash out, meaning the limit is weekly limit. So that's how amazing this is. So anyone who have been in this kind of business before can relate to this. But this is an advantage. I'm telling you, if this is just the first time you'll be joining this kind of system, it is a weekly. Your limit is set at a weekly. Okay, the ceiling is at weekly, not on a daily basis, which is an advantage. Now, there are no gift certificates. Everything will be paid in cash. No gift certificate. Everything will be paid in cash. And infinity commission. So you still earn additional income, even though one side is moving or working, starting from your third business partner, sponsored business partner, from the fourth, fifth, up to infinity. If those third, fourth, fifth, and so on started bringing in their first two, and all the first two of the first two of the first two, even though they are just on the the left side or right side, you still get a commission. How much? That is also dependent on how big your package is. Supposing you are a copper, you get $8. If it's a silver, you get 8, and then it goes higher if you have a higher package. Now, there's also called a check match, meaning all your sponsored business partners, if they have a match under them, you get a certain commission. How much? How much is the percentage? Again, so it is higher if you have a bigger package. If it's a silver, it's about 8. If it's a gold, about 7. Up to 10 commissions, percentage. The higher the package or the bigger the package, the higher the commission is. Again, this is 10% on sales match, on all the sales match of the people whom you sponsored. Let me continue. There is this money back program, meaning if you buy a gold or a bigger package, platinum to jade, you get additional bonus. We call it just for you. Supposing you are a gold package holder, remember when you sponsor gold packages or business people, if they buy gold packages, you get additional commission, right? You get a commission on the wholesale package, you get a commission on the sales match commission. But apart from that, on your fourth sponsored gold. Okay? We have this promotion of just for you. You get additional $665 US. This is on top or in addition of the wholesale package commission and the sales match. Additional 665. Every 4th, on the 8th, on the 12th. That's additional. Why? Because that's your additional bonus when you have your 4th. Again, it is unlimited, no time frame. It doesn't need to be them joining the same month, same year. As long as you have completed the requirement of the 4 sponsored business partners, you get additional 665. Now, if you just join with a smaller package, which is a silver, it's all right. There is also bonus that comes with it. If you have your 5 sponsored business partners, for example, silver, remember you get paid 25 to 26 US dollars for every silver packages, and then you get the sales match. On top of those 2 commissions, you get additional 250. Give me 5, not 4, 5. If it's a smaller package. So that gives you a bonus additional of 250. Every 5, 10, 15, you get additional 250. If you sponsored 5, 10, 15, and 20. Again, this is just additional bonus on top of the wholesale package and the sales match commission. Don't worry if you cannot get it immediately. I understand. But once you join this business, we have a detailed training and presentation of all the income generating way on how you can get it. Okay? Now, again, it's unlimited and no time frame. So let me accept Samsung. Of course, additional bonus, a few more minutes. When people buy products, and if they are under your group, you get additional bonus, which is the rebate is 1% from your first level up to the 10th level. Okay? Then as I have mentioned, there is travel incentive. Right now, there's an ongoing travel incentive. It started last January. It will be ending April, last week of April. It's a trip, a free trip, an expensive, all expenses paid trip to Thailand. But don't worry because, the company is giving away 3 to 4 travel incentive in a year. Some travel incentive goes to Europe and other parts of the globe. If you don't want to travel but you're able to hit the incentive, it's okay. You get paid in cash. They will just deduct around 25,000 pesos or a certain percentage if you don't want to go to the travel incentive. That's your option because you are not from the Philippines. But you want to travel, it's free. It's a 5-day, 4-day, let me say that again. 5-day, 4 nights. 5 days, 6 nights. Sometimes it's a 4-day, 5 night. All expenses paid. You'll be treated with as a very important person. You don't have to spend any amount of money. So that's the travel incentive, and you also have a chance to earn your brand new car. You won't buy it from your commission. It won't be deducted from your commission. But when you hit a certain level for about a year, if you join March this year until March next year, it will be counted. When you reach the requirement for level 1, you get paid with around 16,000 to 7,000 US dollars. You get a commission, not a commission, but a budget to buy a car of your choice in your country that is amounting to 16 to 17,000 US dollars. If it's level 2, it's higher, around 20,000 US dollars. If it's level 3, it's about 50,000 US dollars. It goes a little higher when you reach a certain level. It goes as high as owning a brand new sports car in a house and lot. So that's around 10,000. That's around 16 times 10, about 60, 10, 160,000 US dollars. So that's the possibility. If you fail to hit it on your first year, it doesn't matter because it's a yearly incentive. So you can again try on your second year. But When you join March, you have until March. Okay? You won't buy it, but it's an additional bonus for you. Now, again, that is our presentation. Why would you join us? Because, you know, with what's happening around the globe, there's full of uncertainty. So number one, you have to secure your health, because if you get sick, it is not only you will be affected, but the whole family. Number two, prices of the prime commodities are getting higher. If you will be depending on one source of income alone, it is very dangerous. I hope it won't happen. What if your employer shuts down? Your employment shuts down. What if your business goes out of, the market? So it's very important that you have another source of income. This could be the one that can help you survive the challenges, the uncertainties that's happening around the globe, which you do not have control over. So your control is increase the source of income. The beauty of this business is that you can you don't have to leave your job. This is can be done on the side. I'll be explaining it on your behalf. We are doing a presentation every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 7 p.m. Central Africa time, which is your time. So all you have to do is bring them here. Okay? So again, that ends my presentation. If you have a question, I can